It's now time to open the Dungeon of Chickens. It's actually 5:36. I'm 6 minutes late, guys. I'm sorry. But still fine. Still opening the chickens, right? It's also raining, sadly. So, God, it smells in here, so we're going to cover my freaking nose. Whew, the only way of freaking breathing is through my mouth. Oh my God, it sucks. You hear the little rascals in there now. Oh my God, I can't. There's one. Oh God, please don't attack me. What did I do to you? Chickens are out. They're happy, I guess. They want food. They actually have food. I don't know why I said they want food. But yeah. We're now checking the trampoline. It's soaked. It jiggles with maximum capacity. Pretty much it. I don't know what else to say. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. We have a garden. We got tomato. That one's actually called a big boy. Pepper, bell pepper, spicy. That's a weed. I'm gonna fold that then. Pretty much it. And then tomorrow I don't think I'll be making a video because I'm gonna be at a lot of stuff. I'm gonna be at a baseball game. Then I'm gonna be that was weird. All in my mouth. And then I'm gonna be at a pig roast. So yeah. And then after that on Sunday I might be able to stream. Not stream, but like make a video. I don't know yet. If I'm allowed to. Could you drive by? Thank you. But yeah, almost ready to go to school. And yeah, pretty much it for today, guys. Peace.